I pretty much don't have to explain to you what I'm doing. If you've been watching this entire video, you know exactly what I'm going to be doing, don't you? Taking this off. You're gonna get good at this, and once you do a few things on one door, you'll be like, okay, no big deal. I know how to do that. I can do that on a different door. It's gonna be like old news to you after a while. Repetition, repetition, and repetition. That's what it takes. Just gonna get this door out of the way. You're gonna be a door guy pretty soon. You're gonna be like, oh yeah, but I don't know how to do all the other stuff, Joe. I don't know how to install the handles, or how to replace a handle, or how to install a door bumper, or how to adjust a strike plate, or how to fix this door a different way. But you will if you keep watching. Because I've gone through all that stuff. Installing new handles, replacing handles, fixing strike plates, adjusting strike plates, reaming out strike plates, fixing deadbolts, mortising out a latch. All that kind of stuff is on my YouTube channel. Okay? All right, so we're going to do this one again. I'm just going to set this up here. Just get you down there a little bit. Okay? Just going to show you that I don't just talk about it and then shut the camera off and then 2 seconds later turn the camera back on and say, okay, I did the work, and show you a big, wide picture and say, okay, I did it without doing it. I don't do stuff like that. I'm not saying other people do. I'm just telling you that what I say I'm going to do it, and I want to show you that I'm going to go through the effort to do it. Okay? Okay, so I need just a little bit more. I've already kind of determined how far that I did it before, and I'm just going to bend some more. And once you bend one, you can kind of look down here and say, okay, did I actually bend any? That looks like I hardly did any at all. Because these have a spring, it springs to it. It's the wrench wants to slide on there ever so little. I know I did it pretty good on that. Line that up. Boy, that looks pretty good. The middle one could come down just a hair. Just a smidge. Okay. All right, that looks pretty good. That looks pretty good. Let's keep the camera rolling. Let's keep her rolling. And you can see in real time about how long stuff takes. I'm not in a big old rush. That's the other thing. You want to do this where, okay, I got 15 minutes to fix this door. No, I got however long it takes to fix this door. That's what I say. Once I get done, I can walk away from it knowing I did my best. No ifs, ands, or booties. Just line that one up. But I'm going to concentrate on putting this one down first. That way I can hang on to it. I don't have to be up to the step ladder. Okay? Now I get up there. You know the drill. You know the drill. Ooh. Okay, come on. Ooh. Okay. I may have to. Come on. I might have tweaked that too far. Let's see. just might have. See, you don't want to touch the hinges, the hinge knuckles on the door jamb. That defeats your whole purpose, right? Okay? Let's just still try to get it in here. Boy, kind of at a disadvantage because I'm up off of a ladder. You know, I'm trying to hold this. I'm not left-handed. I may have to do that top one first. Okay, so I take the bottom, that lower pin off, and do this one here first. Come on. Come on, Joe. You can do it. Come on. There. Come on. Okay. I'm gonna leave that because it could spring out once I get the rest of the hinges in. We'll see. Right? Okay. We'll see. If I tweaked it too much, if I did, we'll have to take the door down again. Push some of it back. That might be okay. It just might be okay. Just might. Let's get you down and dirty on the ground. Boy, working up a sweat on this door. I'm sure glad it's a hollow core, 8-foot door. It's not solid core. I can't just close the door just yet. I want to get the pins in. Because I made that mistake before. Just put the hinge pins in about 1 inch on all of them and then close the door and thinking it's okay. And then once I drive all the pins down, especially after tweaking certain hinges, I think, hey, how come it did that? That's because I didn't have the pin in all the way. And by tapping it down through the rest of them, maybe that affected the actual lay of the door. That's only when you're tweaking the hinges. Okay? Usually, I mean, just taking the door off and putting it back on, you don't have to. I mean, I still do. I still tap it down. I still like tapping it down all the way before checking the door, even if I don't tweak any hinges. But specifically, if I'm going to check the reveals and stuff on my adjustments, let's see what happens. So I never want to make the assumption that it's too tight until I fix everything. I get everything in, close it. Oh, I didn't have you up there, did I? Sorry about that. You didn't see me tap that top one. Now I'm going to close this. I'm not even going to check it. Oh yeah, I am going to check it. See, I tweaked it too much. Look at that. That's because, well, let's just take a look at it. I think I tweaked it too far. Only so much you can go on these hinges before it hits the back side. Okay? Ah, that's too bad. But it's just that top one. And I don't really want to. I mean, I could close it, but see, it won't even stay closed because I did it too far. Ah, I don't usually go too far. I wasn't doing that on purpose. Yeah, I went too far, and it actually almost caused this door to sag even further. Shoot! That's because I'm hitting the back side. I'm hitting the back side of that, or I'm hitting right in there, and it's causing this gap to actually be bigger when that's the last thing I had on my mind. Shoot, I didn't think I tweaked it that far either. Okay, you want to be like that? You want to be like that, do you? Did I just teach you something? My loss is your gain. Tweaked it just a little bit too far. Shoot. wasn't doing that on purpose either. Not at all. Forget that mess. I'm gonna have to get it back to where it was, aren't I? Keep my grubby fingers clean. I can't. Wow. Okay. Well, usually the third time is the charm. Not in this instance. I guess this is going to be an extended video, isn't it?